Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I was supposed to post this video last week, but it was not possible, so I'm making it now. Okay, and in this video, I'm going to tell you about the damage levels of these styling tools, lasting power, which styling tool is best. So I'm going to cover these three topics in this, and let me tell you that this video is linked to my previous long form video. So if you haven't watched that, please go and watch it. So my first topic in this, which styling tool is best? I know everybody wants to know this. You people keep asking me this. So let's start from the bottom. In the third category, I'm keeping the blow brushes. Can be a little shocking that I'm rating the blow brushes in the last because blow brushes actually damage your hair more than the other tools. Let me tell you why. This causes more damage because you style the same section of hair multiple times. But if you limit the usage, like in a month, you can use it like twice or maximum thrice, you can limit the damage. I'm not saying do not use blow brushes because I personally love blow brushes, but I will definitely suggest you to limit the usage of blow brushes. I kept straightener in the second position. You guys might be like, girl, straighteners cause the most damage to your hair. Because with straightener, it is faster to style, hence there is less damage. I will tell you my personal experience. When I'm using the blow brush, I style the same section of hair 7 times when I'm using blow brush for that perfect smooth frizz-free finish. But when I'm using a straightener, maximum it's 2 or 3, that's it. So that is why I positioning this in the second position. And I definitely, when I have to fix my hair, when I have to fix my day 3 and day 4 hair, I use straightener only because blow brushes will not style at the roots properly, but this styles the hair near the scalp really well. So that is why it is in the second position. In the first position, I have kept steam styler because steam styler are much more gentler and these style our hair using the steam, using the water. So it's actually hydrating your hair and it's not causing more damage, which is why steam styler is in my first position. So I suggest you to get this one because it styles with the steam and it hydrates your hair. So in the first position, I'm keeping the steam styler because this actually hydrates your hair and also gives that perfect styling. So I hope now you understood which styling tool is best for your hair. Now the topic is which styling tools give long lasting results. So coming to that, straighteners give the most long lasting results compared to any other tool. I want to just say one more thing. Volumo also comes under the straightening because it also straightens your hair. So Volumo is also like a straightener. So you can actually consider it as a straightener as well. And in the second position, I have kept the blow brushes. I agree, blow brushes give the volume and smoothness, but the cuticles are not sealed in that as much as compared to the straighteners. The cuticles are not that sealed because it is styling with the air. Your question is answered. Straighteners give long lasting results more than the blow brushes. Now coming to the damage levels, of course, when I said about which styling tool is best, same thing is with damage levels also. Because steam styling styles with water, it is gentle and hydrating so that does not damage more. Coming to second, it's straighteners. The damage level is medium. It's not too much when you use the right products like the heat protectant and everything. Blow brushes damages your hair most because of the repetitive styling of the same section of hair. And one more thing, so many people ask me which hairspray do you use. I only use 2 hairsprays and those are L'Oreal Elnett and I use it in strong, but it doesn't give that good results. It gives very decent results. And coming to another hairspray that I use, it's from Vela Professionals. It is Mystify Me Strong Hold hairspray that I think it gives decent results for, but it is only up to 24 hours. Both of them give only for 24 hours. It's not more than that. The hairsprays are mostly used during hairstyles like weddings and when you like want that perfect hairstyling, then they use it. We do not do that on a daily basis. I do not suggest you to use hairsprays because it can also damage your hair, but if you are going to any occasions, go ahead and use it. My personal preference is not to use hairsprays every time you style your hair. And if you ask me from L'Oreal and Wella which one is better, of course I will choose Wella Professionals because I tried both of them. Even though L'Oreal Elnett says strong hold up to 72 hours, I have seen the Mystify Me results more better than the L'Oreal Elnett. I only like spray when I have to give that information to you guys that you guys can buy this, or when I'm going out. That's it. Other than that, I really do not like using hairsprays that much. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Bye.